What's up, AI enthusiasts? Welcome back to AI Weekly from Techie Talks AI. I am Abhijit, and wow, what a week this has been. If you thought AI was moving fast before, this week just hit the afterburners. We are talking about enterprise AI going mainstream, billion-dollar investments, and platforms that are literally shaping how the world works. This week alone, we witnessed over $15 billion committed to AI infrastructure, three major platform launches, and breakthrough features that bring AI closer to replacing entire workflows. Stick around because by the end of this video, you will understand exactly why this week might be the most important 7 days in AI history. Let's kick off with OpenAI dropping what might be their biggest announcement since ChatGPT itself, the ChatGPT app ecosystem. On October 13th, they launched not one but two ways to integrate with Slack. First, there is the ChatGPT connector that brings your Slack context directly into ChatGPT conversations. Imagine asking ChatGPT about a project and it already knows about your team discussions, files, and decisions. But here is the kicker. They also launched a dedicated ChatGPT app for Slack that lives right in your sidebar. This isn't just another integration. This is OpenAI saying we are going to live where you work. Available to Plus, Pro, Business, and Enterprise customers, this move signals AI becoming as fundamental to work as email itself. But OpenAI wasn't the only one making moves. Google just made their largest ever investment in India, a staggering $15 billion over 5 years for their first AI hub outside the US in Visakhapatnam. We are talking gigawatt scale compute capacity, international subsea gateways, and massive energy infrastructure. Google CEO Sundar Pichai personally briefed Prime Minister Modi on this landmark development. This isn't just investment. This is Google betting big that India will be central to the global AI revolution. Microsoft wasn't sleeping either. They announced in-country data processing for Microsoft 365 Copilot in the UAE coming early 2026. This is huge for government and enterprise customers who need AI but can't compromise on data sovereignty. Plus, they are force installing the Microsoft 365 Copilot app on Windows devices starting this October and rolling out new connectors that let Copilot pull information directly from Outlook, Gmail, and other productivity apps. Microsoft is essentially saying AI is no longer optional, it's infrastructure. Amazon Web Services didn't want to be left out. They made Amazon Bedrock Agent Core generally available, their complete platform for deploying AI agents at enterprise scale. This includes Agent Core runtime with 8-hour execution windows, Agent Core memory for context-aware agents, and Agent Core identity for secure authentication. What makes it special? It works with any framework and model, giving enterprises complete flexibility in building their AI workforce. Here is where things get really interesting. Elon Musk announced that xAI's Grok will soon be able to analyze videos for AI signatures and research their origins. With AI-generated content becoming indistinguishable from real footage, this couldn't come at a better time. Grok will detect subtle traces in video bitstreams and cross-reference metadata to verify authenticity. This is AI fighting AI, and this might be our best defense against deepfake chaos. Finally, Samsung showcased their AI for all vision at India Mobile Congress 2025 with 5 immersive zones demonstrating everything from Galaxy AI tools to smart home automation. What stood out? They are not just building AI for tech enthusiasts. They are making it accessible to everyone through intuitive interfaces and seamless device integration. Now let me tell you why this week matters more than just cool announcements. We are witnessing the enterprise AI revolution happening in real time. These aren't experimental features anymore. They are production-ready platforms that millions of workers will use daily. The week marks AI's transition from nice to have to can't work without it. If you are not experimenting with these platforms yet, you are falling behind. Start with the free tiers, understand the capabilities, and begin thinking about how AI agents and assistants will transform your work. That's a wrap on this week's AI explosion. Which announcement excited you most? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Smash that like button if this helped you stay ahead of the curve. And subscribe for next week's AI Weekly, where we'll dive into what these platform wars mean for the future of work itself. Until next time, keep innovating. Thank you. Bye-bye.